Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and healthy also. The weather has changed a lot. Like yesterday, also, I told you that this is a season when you should take maximum protection because the day temperature is high, whereas the night temperature is going down. So there is every likelihood to catch cough and cold. So you should take proper precaution of yourself. And as far as the coronavirus is concerned, the virus is still there floating around, so you should be very, very careful. Mask is mandatory whenever you go out, and also maintaining a proper distance, that's distance of minimum 6 feet from another person, is also necessary. And these two things, maintaining distance and putting on the mask, whenever you go out you should put on the mask and try to maintain the distance from the other person, distance of 6 feet approximately. More, if it is more, it is better, but not less than 6 feet. So we have finished the chapter of weather and climate. uh, One thing I want to tell you, as far as India's climate is concerned, it is a moderate. India has a moderate climate. That is, uh, neither it is very hot nor it is very cold. There are certain places, like in deserts and all, it is very hot during the summer. But in general, India is not very hot or very cold. And we have 6 seasons. 6 seasons. So this is the autumn season. After this, we'll have the winter season. Autumn season and the spring season are supposed to be the best seasons because it's neither very cold nor very hot during this season. We enjoy the day also, we enjoy the night also. So this autumn and spring, they are supposed to be the best season. Of course, spring is the best because you see flowers everywhere, all around you. You see flowers. Uh, as we have finished the chapter, we will discuss the question and answers today of the chapter Weather and Climate. Let us see what we have to discuss today. Read and answer. The underlined words, the underlined word in each sentence is incorrect. Write the correct word. There are certain underlined word in each sentence. These words are incorrect. They are wrong. So we have to write the correct sentence, correct word in place of the wrong word. Number 1. Climate changes daily. This is wrong. We know as it is. What changes? But underlined word is climate. So climate is incorrect. So instead of climate, what we can write? Weather. Climate does not change daily. Weather changes daily. So we have to write weather in place of climate. The sun's rays are slanting near the equator. This slanting word is wrong. We have to choose. We have to put the correct word in place of slanting. It is vertical. The sun's rays are vertical near the equator. There is one more thing you can write, that is a direct rays near the equator. The sun's rays are direct, but the actual correct answer is sun's rays are vertical near the equator. Places far away from the coast have moderate climate. This is wrong. Places far away from the coast have not moderate, it is extreme climate. EXTREME, extreme climate. The temperate zone is also called the tropical zone. This temperate is wrong. Instead of temperate, what will be there? What will be there? Torrid zone. The torrid zone is also called the tropical zone. I have told you that day. See, torrid zone. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. In between we have the torrid zone. Okay. So the torrid zone is also called the tropical zone. The frigid zone experiences very hot climate throughout the year. Hot is wrong. You have to change hot and write the correct answer. The frigid zone experiences very cold climate throughout the year. The answer will be cold. Let's see the next question. Write true or false. Sometimes different weather conditions are also experienced within a single day. Is it true or false? It is true. Daytime it may be very sunny, in the evening you may have rain. So this is true. Places near the poles are hotter than the places near the equator. It is absolutely wrong. This is false. Places near the poles are very cold. So they are not hotter than places near the equator. They are colder than the places near the equator. So this is false. Number 2 is false. Winds which blow from cold region bring in cold weather conditions with them. This is true. Very true. 2 temperate zones are found on Earth. Yes, it is correct. One is the north temperate zone, one is the south temperate zone. This is true. The south frigid zone is between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. This is wrong. Just the reverse. The south frigid zone is found between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. So this is false. Now, answer these questions. Write 2 differences between weather and climate. 2 differences. See. Number 1 difference is weather is the day-to-day conditions of air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall at a particular place and time. Whereas climate is an average of weather conditions that prevail over a large area and for a long period of time. For about 30, you need not write for about 35 to 40 years. You may simply write for a long period of time. Is the number 1 difference. Number 2 difference is weather changes every day, whereas the climate of a place remains more or less the same year after year. These are the 2 differences. So what is the first difference? Weather is the day-to-day condition of air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall at a particular place and time. Whereas climate is an average of weather conditions that prevail over a large area and for a long period of time. What is the number 2 difference? That is, weather changes every day, whereas the climate of a place remains more or less the same year after year. These are the 2 differences. List the factors that affect the climate of a place. Here we have been given. Number 1 is the factors which affect the climate of a place are distance from equator, altitude, distance from the sea, direction of winds, then last is humidity and rainfall. Again, I'll show you the factors which affect the climate of a place are distance from the equator, altitude, distance from the sea, direction of winds and humidity and rainfall. These are the factors affecting the climate of a place. Okay. Why do places near the equator receive more heat than the poles? It is written here. The sun's rays are vertical and are spread over a small area. You'll start from here. Near the equator, the sun's rays are vertical and are spread over a small area. Thus, places near the equator receive more heat. Okay? You'll write from here. Near the equator, the sun's rays are vertical and are spread over a small area. Okay, that's done. Next one. Why do places near the equator receive more rainfall than the deserts? You'll get it here. Humid air causes rainfall. Places near the equator are hot and humid. Hence, these places receive plenty of rainfall. You'll start from here. Humid air causes rainfall. Places near the equator are hot and humid. Hence, these places receive plenty of rainfall. We'll start from there. The last one is, into how many temperature zones is the earth divided? Name them. We have here, the earth is divided into 3 temperature zones. That is the torrid zone, temperate zone and the frigid zone. This is the answer of the last question. The earth is divided into 3 major temperature zones. That is torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. This is the last one. And that's all today, because we have finished all the question answers. In the next class, we'll start with a new chapter, that is on Monday onwards. So not Monday, Tuesday. You have a first class in the next week on Tuesday, not on Monday, isn't it? Yes. Okay then. Bye children. Bye.